This model not only able to capture and adjust the humidity level, but it also helps to clean the air. The main components are LED screen, humidity settings, and clean air function. Unit will not dehumidify when surrounding area falls below 60%. Unit will not dehumidify when surrounding area falls below 50%. Set to continuous mode to dehumidify the area. This button is pressed to clean the surrounding air. Set to off when not in use. Remove the water tank as shown. Remove filter from behind the unit, followed by the top lid. Insert the carbon filter before placing back the lid. Full tank indicator will light up when the tank is full.